In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively manage your website using manage.wix.com and editor.wix.com. Whether you're new to Wix or looking to refine your skills, this guide will walk you through the essential steps to create and organize pages on your website, ensuring your site is both functional and visually appealing. First, head over to wix.com and log into your account. If you haven't already created an account, it's an easy process, but take a moment to set up your login details securely. Once you're logged in, you should find yourself on your Wix dashboard. Here, you'll get a clear view of all your sites, making it easy to jump into editing mode quickly. Next, open your site in the editor, which might be the standard Wix editor or the more advanced Wix Studio editor. This tool is where the magic happens, as it allows you to customize your site extensively. Take your time to familiarize yourself with the interface. The more comfortable you are, the smoother your web building experience will be. Now, let's create a new page for your site. On the left toolbar of the editor, click on Menus and Pages. This area is your command center for page management. To add a page, scroll to the bottom of the panel and click on plus add page. A new window will open, prompting you to name the page. Let's call it web design, for example. Choosing clear, concise page names helps with both navigation and SEO. Once you've created your new page, it's possible to make it a subpage. In the Menus and Pages panel, hover over the newly created page and drag it slightly to the right under the parent page, such as Services. You'll notice it indents, visually indicating that it's now nested as a subpage. Subpages are great for organizing related content under broader categories. Improving user experience. Organizing your menu is crucial, as Wix automatically includes a drop-down menu in your navigation. You can reorder pages by simply dragging them up or down in the Menus and Pages panel. If you need to remove a subpage from its parent, drag it back to the left to level it with other main pages. Finally, don't forget to customize your subpage settings. Click on the three dots beside your subpage to open the settings menu. Here you can adjust SEO settings like the page title, description, and URL. You can also manage permissions, deciding who can view your page, or choose to hide the subpage from menus if necessary. By following these steps, you can efficiently manage your Wix website, creating an organized and professional online presence. Remember, practice makes perfect, so take your time to explore these features fully. Happy website building!